Hi, it's JJ and Gabriel. We're at 9 months and I just wanted to talk a little bit about my workout routine. As some of you have noticed, I haven't been posting as many fitness posts or pictures as I was before. I've had a very fit pregnancy, hiking and camping at 7 months, 5Ks and push-up challenge at 8 months, and I'm really glad for that. But right now I'm trying to draw back a little bit, take it a little easy, which is not natural to my personality, but I want to make sure that when labor does begin, I'm not too exhausted to continue the process. And I also want to try and wait as long as I can for Gabriel's father to be in town for the birth. So what I've been doing is I've been doing labor preparation books, exercises in the book Natural Childbirth the Bradley Way. A lot of great exercises in there. Unfortunately, the way that they're drawn and the way they look, I can either show you the pictures of them from my public website or actually show you pictures of me doing them, because I don't think anybody needs to see that. But I do have a picture of some of them here, and two of the first ones would be pelvic tilts and Taylor sitting. Pelvic tilts are really great also for alleviating some of the symptoms of late pregnancy, and Taylor sitting, as well as one that's not on here but is highly recommended, which is squatting. Both of those stretch out the muscles and ligaments and things and help tone those that we're going to use during labor, so that when we're in labor we're not so exhausted so quick. Those aren't positions we're generally accustomed to sitting in, so those exercises really help out. Alright, so here's some other things that I've been doing. You guys have been seeing this all throughout my pregnancy. Either you've been seeing the screenshots from the video or screenshots of me doing the video. I have not been doing the weights for like the last 3 weeks. I just haven't felt up to it. I look at a weight and I'm just like, ugh. But I have been doing some of the stretches, and this was really good for me earlier in pregnancy. Also, another one that I used throughout the pregnancy and that I'm still using now is the prenatal yoga. I will have another video I want to make on yoga for those of us who are very spiritual and are a little bit concerned about adding yoga to our fitness routine because of the spiritual aspect. So be on the lookout for that. But this has been a great exercise to help me loosen up my back and reduce some back pain and other joint pain that's coming from being pregnant when you're not necessarily the tiniest thing out there. Okay, here's one that I bought, but it was way too easy for me all this time. Well, guess what? It is not too easy anymore. I'm feeling it when I do this now. So this is a Stop Pilates. It's actually a 3-pack. It's got Pilates on the ball, Pilates on the mat, and then a postnatal routine. So that's what I'm doing right now to prepare for labor and continue being healthy in pregnancy. I hope this information has helped you out some. I'm JJ Conway. Be blessed.